Hi there! So you have the non-smart regular TV which is working fine, and upgrading it to a smart TV just costs too much. Here's a simple economic solution, the 4K Mi Box S. You get the official Android TV OS, official Netflix, official YouTube, built-in Chromecast, Google Voice Search and tons of apps and games from the official Google Playstore, and Bluetooth. You can even connect your favorite Bluetooth headphones with your dumb non-smart TV. All this for just 4,000 rupees thanks to a promo code that I will share with you towards the end of this video. So let's unbox it, let's connect it, let's see how the experience is. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Mi Box S 4K Ultra HD setup box. On the top left you can see it's written Chromecast built-in, 4K, Google Assistant, and right here it comes with a free HDMI cable, 3000 plus apps, Android TV, Netflix, YouTube and a couple of more apps. On the back of the box, Android TV, this is the Android TV interface you're going to get. Let's quickly open the box. Inside the box is the Mi Box first, some paperwork and instruction guide. We have the power adapter, an HDMI cable and a Mi remote. Let's have a closer look at the remote, and first thing we see on the top is the power button, the Google Assistant button, the D-pad. This is for the apps, this is the app launcher button, the back button, the Android button, the Netflix dedicated button, and here is the volume button. Let's have a closer look at the Mi Box. You can see this is a matte finish. This is roughly 4 inches by 4 inches. You have the Mi branding here. Behind too, you have the Mi Box branding. Here you have the ports. This is the power input source, a USB 2.0, an HDMI port and 3.5 audio headphone out. The Mi Box is connected with its power source and HDMI cable. The other side of the HDMI cable plugs into the television. For this demo, I'm using a Mi TV 4K 55-inch. Ideally, the Mi Box is for non-smart TVs, but it can be used with any TV. Let's go to the input source where we have connected our HDMI. In my case, it's HDMI 1. Starting with the setup, the first thing is to pair the Bluetooth remote with the Mi Box S. After that, enter your Wi-Fi password, Google credentials, and follow the simple setup process. And there we go, we all set up and booted, and first thing we see is the Netflix official and YouTube apps are available out of the box. You can see the Android TV interface and it's really smooth. Trust me, I find this really smoother than the Mi TV as well. And it's nice, smooth. Let's check out the settings. So we have Wi-Fi, Google Cast, display, sound, apps, screensaver, about. So in abouts we can see this is running Android 8.1.0, which is Android Oreo. There you go, Android Oreo. And here you have your preferences, keyboards, Google Assistant, speech, accessibility, add accessories. So it has Bluetooth support, which means you can connect your Bluetooth earphones, headphones, Bluetooth joysticks, gamepads, all those things can be connected very easily from here. Moving down, you have all the regular stuff that comes along with Android TV. Here you have the cards, the shortcuts for Netflix. Here you have YouTube and Play Music. Going into the app launcher, and we see that we have Netflix, Google Play, YouTube, Google Play Movies, Playstore, and something is downloading. I'm really not sure what this app is. Let's quickly check out the YouTube app. So we're signed in and ready to use the YouTube app. Let's quickly check out a 4K video, how well it plays. And there you go. God, that's clear. That's really beautiful. Let's check out at what resolution this is playing. This is playing at 1440. Let's put this to 2160 and test. And there you go. It's playing at... So at 2440, I can see there is a lag. Let's go back to 1440 and see. And there you go. This is at 1440 and it's playing perfectly fine at 1440. The quality is mind-blowing. It's really good. Okay, the app that was downloading was Google Play Music. Let's check out Netflix. Sign in with your Netflix credentials. And yes, we are in Netflix. Let's quickly play something. And there you go. It's almost started instantaneously. It's beautiful, clear, sharp. And the best part is, because this is an official Netflix app, accessing audio and subtitles is super easy and convenient. Great, you can scroll ahead, you can scroll behind, no problem at all. Super smooth app, totally works great. Let's have a look at the Google Play Store. Accessing official Android apps for Android TV is a breeze. It's really convenient. You can in fact even install games here. Wow. So you can download these games, connect a gamepad and go ahead. Wow, the collection for games is also huge. I'm downloading the File Commander app to install or sideload apps so that we can browse through this file manager. With the File Manager app, you can sideload apps from your pen drive very easily. You can see I'm installing Aptoide TV from my pen drive. Let's open the Aptoide TV App Store and download Amazon Prime Videos. Make sure you download Prime Video's Android TV version. So let's open the app. Sign in with your Prime Video credentials. Let's start playing a movie. Resume. And wow, this works perfectly well. I'm really surprised. Wow. So finally you can sideload them, you can change your subtitles, you can change the font size. Everything is accessible with this app. Wow. And it's playing smoothly, no problem at all. The only thing is you have to sideload this app. Once sideloaded, it'll work flawlessly. Also, to play videos from your pen drive, I recommend you download the VLC player from the Play Store. So here are some video files, and the first one is a 4K video downloaded from YouTube. It's an MKV file. Let's play this. Wow, this plays perfectly fine. Smooth, no drop frames, no lag, no stutter. This is a 4K video file. Here is also a 4K demo file. Let's play this and see. There you go. So 4K videos play perfectly fine on the Mi Box S. Moving on to the remote, it looks absolutely identical to the Mi TV remote. Same dimensions, same button placements. On the top is the power button, and here is the Google voice search. Let's quickly check it out. What is the weather in Mumbai?
Right now in Mumbai, it's 32 with smoke.
Show me some best Bollywood movies. There you go. So Google voice search basically works like a charm. This O button is to go back to the Android TV interface. Back button, this is the app launcher. When you press that, all the apps that are installed, you can see them. And here is the Netflix button. You press the Netflix button and it takes you directly to the Netflix app. And right here is the volume up and down. Unfortunately, no mute button again. So let's test the Chromecast. We're going to the YouTube app. Going to the Chromecast icon, you can see Mi Box 4. Click on that, and there you see YouTube. I'm clicking on a video. Click play.
Let's have a physical.
There you go.
On the front is a 1.2-inch.
So Chromecast works absolutely fine. You can scrub ahead and behind as well, no problem. And it's really smooth. So let's test mirroring. Going into the Google Home app. In mirror devices, you'll find an option for devices that support. I'm using the Mi Box 4 here. When I click on that, there you go. So you can easily mirror any Android phone to the Mi Box very easily using the Google Home app. The only thing falling short before I reviewed the Mi Box S is the missing Amazon Prime Videos app. That too worked like a breeze. The only hitch is that you have to sideload that app. But once done, you are sorted. Official Netflix app, Play Store, Google Voice Search, built-in Chromecast, Bluetooth, media player that plays 4K videos from your pen drive, and above all, Android TV OS. It ticks all the boxes of a perfect smart box for your non-smart TV. There is also a 3.5mm headphone out that you can connect to any external speaker or even wired headphones. Super convenient. This is highly recommended for anyone who owns a non-smart TV. I got this from Banggood.com for 4,050. There is a coupon code which you can add before making payments. The coupon code will be mentioned right here. This is for a short period, so grab it quickly. I'll leave the links and code in the description too. Feel free to check it out. If you'd like me to compare this with a 4K Fire Stick, do mention it down in the comments and I shall make a video comparing the two. Also, if there are any questions regarding the Mi Box, mention them below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.